Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by KQ Markets.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Oil prices slipped on Friday and were flat on the week as the possibility of a ceasefire in Gaza weakened crude benchmarks, while the war in Europe and shrinking US rig count cushioned the fall. The dollar headed towards a second week of gains after a slight rate hike in Japan gave the yen a slight reprieve, and a surprise cut in Switzerland highlighted the gap in interest rate policy between the Federal Reserve and other central banks. A Panama-flagged crude oil tanker caught fire after being struck by an unidentified projectile off Yemen on Saturday, in the latest attack on commercial shipping in the Red Sea. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence at 0000 hours and 01 minutes GMT. The Dutch Gross Domestic Product will be released at 0530 GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.